Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To honorable person, Mr. Dr. Kaharuddin, SIPM Hume, and all of you guys whenever and wherever you're watching this video. My name is Nurul Fatimah Zahra. I'm from English Education Department, Class A of 2023, Tarbiyah in Teaching Science, Faculty of Alauddin State, Islamic University of Makassar. In this video, I will explain and answer the question about syntax as a study of language. Question number 1 is a number of theories or approaches of syntax have made such as the traditional approach. What do you know of the traditional approach? Explain your answer with examples. The traditional approach to syntax views sentences as combination of subjects and predicates analyzed using tools like read-Kellogg diagram. For example, in the smart teacher trained the lazy boy patiently, the subject is the smart teacher and predicate is trained the lazy boy patiently, are separated on a line with modifiers shown below. Though foundational, this method is too simple for the complexities of English grammar. Question number 1. Number 2, what do you know of structural approach? Explain your answer with example. The structural approach to syntax introduced by Leonard Bloomfield uses immediate constituent analysis to break sentences into smaller parts or constituents, showing how words form larger structure. For example, in the beautiful girl, the smallest units are the beautiful and girl. These combine to form larger units like beautiful girl and finally the full phrase. Similarly, the teacher teaches his students effectively. IC analysis divides the sentences into a binary structure. While useful for identifying patterns, it is criticized for failing to explain deeper grammatical or semantic relationship between words. Question number 3. What do you know of transformative generative approach? Explain your answer with example. The transformative generative or TG approach introduced by Noam Chomsky focuses on how speakers use linguistic competence, knowledge of grammar, sounds, and meanings to produce sentences. It divides sentence structure into two levels, the deep structure and surface structure. Transformation are the rules that convert deep structure into surface structure. For example, the deep structure. The boy kicks the ball can transform into a question. Does the boy kick the ball? This approach explains how grammar rules combine words into phrases and sentences, making it a key framework in modern linguistics. Question number 4. Which one of the approach do you agree with? Why? Explain your answer and position with reasons. So I agree with the transformative generative approach because it provides a deeper understanding of sentence structure and meaning. By focusing on linguistic competence and using rules to connect deep and surface structure, it explains how we form complex and varied sentences. Its ability to account for grammar, meaning, and transformation makes it more comprehensive than the traditional or structuralist approaches. And the last question, what do you know of sentence structure and analyze how the sentence structure according to the theory of TG? Is it useful to analyze sentence structure using the theory? Why? Explain your answer with reasons. Sentence structure, according to transformative generative approach, is analyzed using phrase structure rules and phrase structure trees. These rules break a sentence into components like noun phrase, auxiliary, and verb phrases. showing how words are grouped and organized. For example, the rule as in P plus auxiliary and verb phrases means a sentence is formed by these components. Phrase structure 3 visually represent word order, grouping, and hierarchy. Analyzing sentences with TG is useful because it explains how sentences are formed and helps understand both meaning and grammar systematically. And that's all for today's video. I apologize if there are grammatical mistakes and pronunciation. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.